Understanding PayPal's fee structure is crucial before buying Bitcoin. PayPal uses a tiered fee system that varies based on your purchase amount. The fee structure starts with a 50-cent flat fee for small purchases under $25, then transitions to percentage-based fees for larger amounts. The percentage decreases as your purchase amount increases. Additionally, PayPal includes a spread fee of approximately 0.5% built into the buy and sell prices. This means you'll pay slightly above market price when buying. PayPal sets specific purchase limits for Bitcoin transactions. For verified accounts, you can purchase up to $25,000 daily and $100,000 weekly. PayPal's Bitcoin service is available in all 50 United States and select international markets, including the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, with expansion to additional countries ongoing. There are important limitations to understand. PayPal uses a custodial model, meaning you don't receive private keys to your Bitcoin. PayPal holds the actual Bitcoin on your behalf, and transactions are recorded on PayPal's internal ledger, not directly on the Bitcoin blockchain. Before making your purchase, review all fees, ensure your account meets the verification requirements for your desired purchase amount, and understand that this is a custodial service designed for ease of use rather than full Bitcoin ownership control.